All right. Hey, everybody. Welcome back to the garden again, second time today. Same day as the last video, which I've got to do some corrections on the last video. I noticed when I played it back, and I kind of suspected that I had before, as I was playing it back, I thought, oh, I forgot to move the camera on those ice cream tulips. So that's going to be cut off of that video. And then the second thing I'm going to do, you can see I got some more bulb holes dug here, but I've been intending to read these cards to you. So those Ice King daffodils in the last video that we planted over there by the Peachberry Ice, it's Ice King, one of the most popular double daffodil varieties around. These vigorous plants yield a magnitude of large double blossoms in ivory white with sulfur yellow centers. Starts to bud out in mid-spring season. Situate them in full sun to semi-shade. Disease-resistant plants return for years to come. It says on here flowering time March and April. Height 14 to 16 inches. So that's the daffodil Ice King we planted in the last video. And then here's the tulip, ice cream tulip. This truly unique, one-of-a-kind double tulip variety will produce a rewarding satisfaction with little effort. Compact, 10 to 14 inches. Plants feature ice cream cone-like blossoms opening in rosy red with a snow white top in the center. Lasting flowers bud out in mid to late spring. Prefers full sun to part shade. Charming in a small cut display. This says it blooms. Flowering time for this one's April, May. And the flowering time for the daffodils was March and April. So that's the last video. And then the video before that, right up there where I put some daffodils, the extravaganza daffodils, I'll read that card to you too. But here we're going to put, let me get up and show you a close-up picture of what I'm doing here. Again, I hope you guys are having a great day. It's a beautiful day here in Northeast Ohio. A little chilly, high of 48 as I said that last video. All right, here's the tulip that I'm going to be putting in this section right here, called Vendee Globe. Again, these are a bunch of tulips I bought half price. There's a good cut flower there. And around the tulips, in an effort to curb critter activity, I'm going to be planting these 10 little Fritillaria Acmopetala, Acmopetala, however you say that. But Fritillaria, deer resistant, you see there it says, and a good cut flower. I'm hoping this will, I don't know if anybody, if you've never planted any Fritillaria, or I've also heard that pronounced Fritillaria. I guess it depends on whether you're a Lawrence or a Larry guy. If you're a tomato or a tomato. I don't know. Most of the people I hear say Fritillaria. But like I said, I have heard it pronounced Fritillaria. Kind of cool little bell-shaped, upside-down bell shape with the burgundy in them. Thought they'd look good here also with these tulips and these black pearl heuchera. And also I hope these will deter the deer critters too, because if you've never planted Fritillaria, like it says, they're deer resistant. They're stinky. They're stinky. Some people say they smell like skunk. Some people say they smell like pot. I saw one person calls them, they said her grandkids call them stinky fox pea or something. And then over here to this side, I don't know if you can see those holes right there, just to the left or the right in the camera. I'm going to plant these daffodils sunny side up. Also says they're deer resistant. So I'll read these cards to you as I'm putting them in the ground. But we'll get over here and get these in the ground. I've got the little holes dug, got the bulb tone in the hose. So first I think I'll put these 10 little Fritillaria, because these little bulbs are tiny. You can lose them real easily. Let's see here. 3, 5, yep, 6, 10. So I can't tell. This one's kind of dirty. We'll just drop it down in there, stick it in, and go from there. All right, my hole filled up on me. Get them in there. I had these little holes punched out. I guess they filled back up. Fritillaria, oh, they're trying to split open already. So get them down in there. And I still have 5 more. Where's my little holes? There's one. Well, I hope your college football games are going the way you want them to go today. If anybody's college football fans. Two more of those little fellas. Them right up here. They're tiny, tiny, tiny. All right, there's that. Now we'll get these 8 Vendee Globe Tulips in here. Like I said in the last video, I don't usually plant tulips for several reasons. One, they don't come back reliably year after year like daffodils. 2, they're not deer resistant. So that becomes an issue. But these were just so attractive, I couldn't resist. All right, there's 3 of them. And they're healthy looking bulbs, guys. As I've told you in the last 2 videos, got these at half price. So at Bluestone Perennials, these bulbs are simple pleasures. And got one in that hole, right? Oh, falling off my knee pad. All right. All right, there's the, man, I'm having trouble staying on the knee pad. I don't know what's going on. All right, there's the tulips and the Fritillaria. Now let's get over here, do the daffodil. Let me make sure the camera is working this time so that you can see me. So I'm just going to have to cut out the tulips on that last, take that part off. Turn it just a little bit here. All right, we'll get these 5 daffodils in the hole real quick. kind of, and those big healthy bulbs. Anticlimactic. Don't know about that bulb. We'll put it in there, but I don't think that one's going to come up. Doesn't feel so healthy. This one does. One just felt a little soft. And that's a big bulb. All right. There we have it, guys. Easy peasy piece of cake. Hope you're having a great day. Hope you enjoyed this video. And I hope you come visit again. Enjoy you watching these. Thankful that you watch them. Have a great evening, guys. Good weekend. Ciao.